go from there. Fresh hardware on here too. 7/16 is going to fully tighten these. Full hardware that we're going to be sending you, 2 washers, not smaller washer. Washer. Little oil.
Imagining a better bank starts with looking at the savings rates most banks offer and saying, Capital One is building something better. You can open a capital.
I fully tighten it right up at this point, because I'm going to loosen it up to make sure the tension's right for the handle itself. Put my cover back on there. And then at this point I'm just going to get my tension for the door. I'm going to loosen the outer nut. A little tight yet. Got some nice tension, but it's loose. The handle's nice. So at that point, I'm just gonna tighten my exterior nut here, and that's good to go. If it's a little loose, you can just tighten this back up, or if it's a little tight, just loosen it, and you're good to go. Just re-screw them right back into here. If you find that your handle's a little too tight, breaking all the time, what we've been doing is taking a bar here and pulling this out, the lower. Sure. So if our bar is a little too tight here, our handle's breaking, simply underneath and pulling it out just a little to keep the tension on the door, but the door's handle's been so tight that a little extra space here has been helping the handle out.